Meet Skittles, a vibrant and jovial parrot known for his daredevil escapades through the treetops. One day, Skittles encounters Chirpy, a timid and careful sparrow who has always admired the parrot's adventurous spirit from afar. In a burst of excitement, Skittles challenges Chirpy to experience the true spirit of freedom and embarks on a journey towards the unknown. As Chirpy hesitates, Skittles extends his colorful wing in reassurance, encouraging the sparrow to break its shell of caution. Their journey kicks off with trepidation, but as they begin venturing deeper into the forest, they face challenges that lead them to understand the essence of trust and cooperation. We see the pair building nests together, sharing food, and aiding each other in obstacles, depicting the beauty of their growing friendship. Despite their differences, they learn that working in unison can conquer the most intimidating challenges. Their journey, filled with laughter, shared fears, and victories, illustrates not just an adventurous excursion, but a symphony of friendship blooming in the heart of the wilderness.